Hey friends, welcome back and welcome if you are new. My name is Sam and welcome to my channel. This week was a crazy week. Everything kind of happened all on one day this week, so we're kind of going day by day. So we went from dropping my mic into some water, from my niece having a car wreck, to finding out that my stepdaughter is pregnant with her baby number 2. All in one day. So today I didn't film at all, but this is what we had for dinner. I just made burgers and some fries, and it was delicious. All right, you guys, moving on to some mushroom risotto. I love risotto. It's so good and it's so easy to make. It just takes a little bit of time to make, but it's so worth it. So to my skillet here, I'm going to add some olive oil and some onions, a little bit of salt and pepper, and we're just going to kind of toss that around and let this cook down for about 5 to 8 minutes, just until those onions are nice and tender. Okay, now that those onions are nice and tender, we're going to go in and add some sliced mushrooms and some minced garlic. You're going to toss that around and let that cook over medium-low heat until those mushrooms get nice and soft. It should take around 5 minutes or so. Once your mushrooms are nice and soft and that garlic is smelling delicious, you're going to go in and add in some arborio rice. Do not rinse your rice. You need that starch to make your risotto nice and creamy. Just add it directly into your pan, and then you're going to cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes until that rice is nice light golden color, and it will turn out beautiful. I went ahead and heated up some chicken broth in a pot over medium-low. I want it warm but not like boiling hot. Once your rice is nice and lightly golden, you're going to take one ladle at a time and just add that chicken broth into your rice. You're going to constantly stir that in with your rice until all of that liquid is absorbed. And then you're just going to repeat the process until you no longer have any liquid. Now that all your liquid is absorbed into the rice, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter and about a cup of grated Parmesan cheese. And then you're just going to mix that all around until it is all completely combined and it's nice and creamy. You're going to check it for seasoning. And if you need any more salt, pepper, or extra chicken broth, you can go ahead and add that in now. Then it's pretty much done and ready to go. Alright, you guys, here is my plate, and this mushroom risotto was absolutely delicious. Highly recommend you trying this recipe. I will leave all of the links in the description box down below. And I just served that with a side salad. Super simple. I just chopped up some tomatoes, carrots, some romaine lettuce, topped that with some vinaigrette. I had some leftover burger buns, so I just made some garlic bread out of that, and that's what we had for dinner, and it was super light, super delicious, so good. All right, you guys, today we're gonna make some fish fillet sandwiches. I have been craving fish fillet sandwiches for a while now, so that's what we're making today. I've got some tilapia that I've thawed, and we're just gonna mix this together. Got some flour, egg, buttermilk, spices. And to your flour, just going to add all of the spices and mix that around. And then the other bowl, I've got egg and buttermilk. You're going to whisk that around until it's nice and combined. And then all you're going to do is dip your fish into the flour, then into the wet mixture, and then back into the flour. And then it goes directly into your pan to fry up. It's super simple. For the fish, I just shallow fried that in a pan over medium-low heat in about a cup of neutral oil. And then once they got nice and golden brown on both sides and cooked through, I just put them on a wire rack to cool completely. In the meantime, I made some homemade tartar sauce. So in my little bowl here, I've got some mayo, lemon juice. I'm going to add some chopped dill pickles and some capers to that, along with some salt and pepper. And we're just going to mix that together until it's nice and combined. Oh, don't forget to add some dill to this too. I completely forgot to mention that, but add some dill to that too. It can be fresh or dried. I use dried. I also went ahead and added some tater tots to the air fryer, so that was going. So everything could be done pretty much at the same time. All right, you guys, here is my plate. Here are these delicious fish fillet sandwiches. Y'all, these were ginormous. They were pretty good sized fish fillets, but they were so good. I just served those with the tater tots and some ketchup on the side, and y'all, we were done after this. This was a meal. It filled us up, so it was absolutely delicious. But that is going to wrap up this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment in the comment section down below. I love chit-chatting with all of you. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.